Hello, good evening. What's up? Hello, say hi. Say hi. Nice place, look at that. What's up? Good evening, sir. How are you, my friend? How are you? How are you guys? Good evening. Nice to see you. Nice to see you, Mudir.
How are you?
Nice place. Nice place. Nice place. Nice place. Very nice. Yes. The name of the resort, Riviera Resort. Let's go. Mga paps, ang ganda ng istrahan na to. Siyempre, 1,600 na presyo. Ayan, no, tingnan nyo mga paps. Oh. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Yes, Sir Nasser. Look at that. Ganda. Okay, so we're here at the location. I'm with Sir Nasser.
Kicks Fanatic.
Kicks Fanatic. Chef.
Welcome Reggie.
Yeah,
Welcome
syempre.
Oreo.
Kicks Fanatic, our gift for Dr. Abdurrahman is a sneaker.
Okay.
Dear, what's the size of your feet? Is it size 10 or 11? 45. Really? Young, you might fall, ah. I'm telling you. Go! So ito mga paps, magsisimula na yung kanilang ceremony at saka bago sila mag-start, kumakanta yung grupo muna. So ayan yung naririnig nyo sa background mga paps, kumakanta sila. So pakita ko sa inyo. Young, stay here. Stay here, stay here, stay here. Young, stay here, boy. Mr. Gubayri siya. Hello, I'm with Mr. Gubayri. Say, kamusta ka?
Umusta ka?
Kamusta ka? Mabuti. Say hi to Henry. Henry, say hi. Henry, hi Henry.
Henry Galliano.
Henry Galliano.
Yes, I need, inshallah.
Practice
after-
English.
English. Yes, Henry Galliano. Henry Galliano.
Henry Galliano.
Yeah.
At ayan na mga paps, nagbibigayan na ng mga regalo para kay Mudir, yung mga farewell gifts nila. So, tingnan lang natin yung iba. So, Mr. Fahad is also finished duty. Okay, so mga paps, it happens nga pala na masalama, dalawa yung aalis, si Mr. Fahad sa medical records and si Mudir, yung manager namin. So ngayon, binibigay nila yung regalo nila kay Sir Fahad.
So it's already a practice that if ever somebody is leaving, you're gonna give them gifts. So, paano kaya ako pag ako yung nagmasalama? Ano kaya ang regalo niyo sa akin?
And of course, now it's our time to give our gift to the Lord. Let's go. So this one is a sala also, like a
for women,
for women section. Yeah. Living room. Yeah. It has a second floor as well.
it's not finished yet.
It's not finished. So it's not available. So this area is for women's, for ladies as well. So this is kitchen. Nice. Complete. So eto mga paps, niluluto pa lang yung barbecue doon at nagre-ready sila ng food namin. Diyan yahain yung malaking plato na may kanin at hindi natin alam kung may tupa o camel o kung anumang hayop pang ipapakain sa atin. At ayan yung aking mga kasama sa trabaho. Yan sila. Okay, so ang maganda lang dito mga paps, kahit kami na lang yung natitirang Pilipino rito, ako tsaka si Jennifer, napakaganda naman ng touring sa amin. So, sabi nga nila, kung ano yung bibigay mong touring sa kanila, yun din yung ibabalik sa iyo. So, show them good and they will give you respect as well. Ganun lang yun, naintindihan nyo na yun. Dito ka, don't step there because they will sit there later. Yan yung food natin. Ha? Yan o, that's the ship. Yan o. Yeah. Yan ang nasa presidential table o presidential carpet. Ayan na mga paps, naka-ready na yung food. Waiting na tayo sa entrance ng ating panauhing pandangan. Yung mga nagmamasalama na. At ito ang mga minions. Yan, nakaputi. Kain na. Pag this is eating time. So, come on, samahan nyo na lang kami kumain. This is our video for today. I'll see you on our next.
Yeah.
Sir Sale, say hi. Good. Thank you. Seyong, ajadala alaikum. Good job. Bro, subak. Show me how do you eat nga. Yeah, eat ka na rice. Yeah. Yeah, one of the boys. Yeah.